Hi, this is Tim Blanchett with Divorce661.com, and today we're talking about some of the top reasons why your divorce case in California may not have been finished. And this video is spurred by the fact that we get lots of calls, people calling us saying they thought their divorce was finalized and later realized they're not. And this has been folks that have gotten remarried, where maybe 20 years has gone by. Sky's the limit. So we want to kind of give you some of these reasons, so maybe this won't happen to you, or you can also look at this video as things to watch out for or potential pitfalls when trying to file your own divorce in California. So the first reason we discussed, and this will be linked in with our blog article as well, is that you just didn't finish your case. Folks are under the misunderstanding that when they file their divorce papers, that's all there is to do, that they filed a summons petition, the other party didn't file a response, and maybe they did some of the other paperwork, maybe they even submitted the judgment, but they never received court approval. They just assumed it was done because they didn't get anything back. A lot of times the reason you didn't get anything back is because you didn't send an envelope with postage paid to you, because the court's not going to send it back. The next thing we came up with is that you went to a hearing during your divorce and you received some orders. This happens quite a bit too. If you're going through the divorce process and you need to file a motion because you need support or custody arrangements or something like that, you will get a temporary order issued. And that's all it is temporary. That's not the final order in your divorce. And we just had this happen. We had a client who had called us. They said their divorce was finalized. We looked online and the judgment had not been entered. And we saw that they recently went to court, and they said, yes, we went to court and we got, the court made orders for our divorce. And that's great. Those are temporary. That is not your final order. You still have to submit your final judgment paperwork. So watch out for that if you have filed a motion and you have temporary orders. They're only temporary. All right, number 3, and this kind of falls after number 2, final judgment in your case was never entered. Kind of going back to that motion, you have to file your final judgment. You have to do all the final paperwork. You have to get a notice of entry of judgment. You need to get that back from the court with the judge's signature, or your divorce is not over. All right, number 4, and this is kind of a blanket statement. You made an error on your paperwork. This could be your judgment paperwork. It could be any of the paperwork leading up to it. It could be the summons, a petition, anything leading up to the judgment. If there's one mistake on any of the paperwork in your case, the judgment will be rejected. All right, number 5, you did not comply with the divorce procedure leading up to the judgment. So this means this is different than the forms. So the other issue was messing up the forms, not checking a box. This is procedure. Did you serve the parties correctly? Did you file it, the proof of service? Did you serve something by mail that had to be done in person? The procedural issue fouls people up quite a bit. So we wanted to get some of these top reasons out to you. I think we covered 5 top reasons why your divorce may get rejected or may be finished, however you decide to view this. But we can help you wherever you're at. People call us in various stages. We are a licensed and bonded legal document preparation firm, and we specialize in divorce in California. We can handle your case from the very beginning before you've ever filed a single document, or we can clean up your mess if you've already started it and you've found yourself having trouble. Feel free to give us a call. I'll be happy to help you out. Number is 661-281-0266, or you can get more information off our website at divorce661.com. Thanks for watching.